Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can link your Destiny 2 Steam account from your Epic Games account. To do that, first go to Google and go to Epic Games. Then you have to sign in to your account. As you can see, I am already signed in. Then click on this icon and go to account. Scroll down and go to apps and accounts. Here you will see two options, apps and accounts. Go to accounts and click on connect under Steam section. Then click on connect account. Here we have to sign in to our Steam account. After giving your login details, put in the code that has been sent to your mail. After putting the code, this will load our Steam account. Then click on sign in. And here, as you can see, we have successfully linked our Steam account with our Epic Games account. And now if we go to our Steam account, our Destiny 2 account is also linked with Epic Games. I hope you liked this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.